Welcome to Golden Village Palms RV Resort. Today we are doing a resort tour. Welcome to the Golden Village Palms RV Resort lobby, where we have complimentary coffee as well as our activities calendar just for you. Welcome to the GVP library, where we have all the genres just for you. We have fiction, nonfiction, romance, all the genres. Feel free to stop by, have a seat, and a cup of coffee and enjoy a book. Feel free to take it back to your site and bring it back when you're done. This room is used for our groups and rallies, bingo, dinners, and much more. This building is also available to the public, meaning you can rent it out for your next birthday or baby shower. Here in our ballroom, we have live concerts, live comedy shows, and much more. Welcome to our live patio, meaning this patio has sip and paints, as well as live music, mocktail social, and much more. Come check out our recognized pickleball courts, where we have free play, friendly tournaments, as well as pickleball clinics. Welcome to our shuffleboard room, where we have state-of-the-art shuffleboard just for you. Welcome to our fitness center. We have heavy lifting as well as free weights and cardio. Come check out our beautiful luxury lifestyle pools. We have 3 pools total and 3 spas. We here at Golden Village Palms RV Resort are pet friendly. Check out one of our 2 amazing dog parks just for your furry friends.